everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. It is super gloomy and dark and rainy here in Florida. You might be able to tell a little bit. I think like a sliver of my window shows in the screen. But yeah, it's kind of nasty out here. So let me know, how is it by you guys? But yeah, I'm not gonna let the rain get me down today. I plan on filming a lot. I have about like 11 boxes to do, maybe 12, maybe more, I don't know. But I just received my Sephora Play for June, so I figured I would start with this box today. So if you do not know what Sephora Play or Play by Sephora is, I think the real name is Play by Sephora, but Sephora Play just seems so much easier to say. It is obviously by the beauty company Sephora. You get all sample size items. I don't think I've ever gotten a full size item in here before, but you get like 5 items and like a bonus like perfume or foil packet each month. And it's all brands you can pick up at Sephora or order online if you like it. So I like that part about it. It's only $10 a month, so it's one of the more affordable beauty subscriptions, and I generally do like it. I feel like they've kind of stepped up their game the past few months. I've been happy with it. I have absolutely no clue what's coming in my box this month, so let's get unboxing and see. When I open it up, this is what I see. There is always like a little card in here. I guess it's not little, it unfolds and it's pretty freaking big. But on here you always get 50 Sephora Play points, and you can use them either online or in store if you make a purchase or want to get anything that you tried out in your box, so that's pretty cool. It looks like the theme this month is Destination Beauty. Whether you're traveling to the desert, the sea, or the international aisle of the grocery store, here are some tips and tricks to make your trip beautiful. And then it just gives different tips on there. So these are always really cute and colorful and fun. Like, I'll just read one of them. It says, "Don't forget to pack waterproof black eyeliner." And then there's like a little quote. So I guess this is what some Sephora Play members or people that work at Sephora, their tips from traveling and stuff like that. Do you guys have any travel plans this summer? I don't have anything planned right now, but I really want a trip. It's always nice to have a trip to look forward to. So this is kind of making me want one. And on the back it shows the products along with some information, and it looks a little different this month. Ooh, and I kind of peeked and I'm super excited. Okay, I'm not gonna peek anymore. Yay. So it comes in this like plastic little bag. It's like a Ziploc bag. You can reuse it if you want to, or just keep your samples in there. You do whatever you want to do. I'm just gonna pour everything out. And let's see, I'm gonna start with the item I accidentally peeked at. I'm super excited. So this is by Tarte. This is their Found Sealer Foundation. This is pretty new, so this is super exciting to get in here. And I love getting foundation samples because it's like nice to try it out before you commit to the full size, especially for foundation. So I hope this matches me. So this is the Found Sealer Multitasking Foundation. It has broad spectrum SPF 20 sunscreen, and I have it in 160 Fair Light Sand. So this is what the packaging looks like. And I think I heard some good things about this. I honestly can't remember. I don't know if I watched too many videos on it. Oh, this is so cute. And this is definitely, you can get a few uses out of it. So it looks like it might be a match. So there's like a little pump. I think this is so cute. Put some on my hand. Oh my god, I think this might be a good match. So there it is. If anything, it might be like a little bit dark, but I think I can make it work, so I can see how it works for me. I am so excited. That pump was like a lot. So I guess this can work as like both a foundation and a concealer. So let's read about it. I can't remember what its claims are. So it says, this, like I already said what it's called, the Found Sealer. It says the only thing that needs to work hard when you're on PTO is your foundation. That's why this multitasking formula is a first class favorite. How to use. It says, for sheer to light coverage, smooth on with fingertips. For light to medium coverage, tap it on with a moist beauty sponge. Or medium coverage, buff it on with a foundation brush. And there's a little star here that says it was chosen for your skin tone, and it's new and exclusive to Sephora. I am so excited because I do think it'll work. I mean, it might, like I said, might be a little bit dark. It looks like it's oxidizing a tiny bit. So I'll just like leave it on my hand and see how it is at the end of the video, but I'm super excited to try it out. It looks like I have a repeat item in here, which is okay. I actually like this. I need to look into their cruelty-free status. So this is a Laneige sleeping mask, the lip sleeping mask, and it looks like this is the original one, and I loved this. And to be honest, it might not be a repeat. I could have gotten it like in a Birchbox or something like that. But I had this exact one in the past and I absolutely loved it. But again, I need to look into the status of this to see if I can use it. Something tells me I might not be able to, but you know, worst case scenario, it will go in my upcoming 5,000 subscriber giveaway, which will come soon. I'm waiting on a package. It was supposed to come like yesterday, but it has not yet. So hopefully one day this week, and anything I can't use that I get in the meantime will be put in the giveaway. So awesome. So it says the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Original Berry. When holidaying, use any excuse to sleep in a little longer. For instance, my overnight lip mask needs more time to moisturize. Wake me up in an hour. It says, a leader in the K-beauty scene for more than 20 years, Laneige steps up their skincare with hydroionized mineral water that delivers intense moisturization. It really does. This stuff works, and you can use it like anytime. It doesn't have to be just at night. Like I liked using this just like for like some glossy finish on my lips when I'm just like doing a no makeup day type thing. And apparently this is an exclusive to Sephora. Next up is something by Herbivore. This is their Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. I feel like I'm getting so many face mists. This is Leaping Bunny certified, I can see that. I like this brand. I don't think I've ever tried this. This is a pretty good size for a Sephora play at least. So it says, directions: shake before use, post-cleansing, generously mist over face and allow to absorb. Okay, so this isn't like a setting spray, this is used like right after cleansing your skin, so I will leave this in my bathroom. I'm actually really excited to try this out. I'm just gonna spray, so I'm not gonna put it on my face since I have makeup on. But let's see what the sprayer looks like. Oh, that's a really fine mist. Oh, and it smells good. And I know some people were saying like the rose mist from Grace and Stella that we received in our FabFitFun is just pretty much like fragrance water. I have a feeling like this brand, from my past experience, has like a lot of natural ingredients. So yeah, it looks like this might be better for you. It has some certified organic ingredients even. So I'll have to look more into it, but I'm excited to try this out. And I do like rose scent. I know some people don't, but I do. And it says, for an instant vacation, combine soothing coconut water, youth-boosting hibiscus, and toning rose, then mist skin like there's no tomorrow. How to use: shake, spray face a few times, rub it in, and tell everyone you're on island time. Alright, next up. Oh, I'm so excited. I ran out of my full size of this. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. You guys, this might be like the best Sephora play ever. Oh my god, this stuff is so good. It removes your makeup so well. So I got this in a past BoxyCharm and I loved it. I'm not sure if that's focusing. So this is pretty small. Oh, but it's full to the rim. Can you guys see that? Sometimes, you know, there's like divots and stuff in here. So I'm so excited to get this. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So it says sunflower, ginger root, turmeric, and papaya. No, it's just it's not ingredients for a cold pressed juice. It's a cleansing balm that removes all makeup and leaves your skin feeling silky smooth. It seriously does. It's the best. It says warm up a generous amount into fingertips, massage into skin with gentle circular motions, focusing on areas that need attention, like eye makeup. Wash off with warm water and remove with a damp washcloth. And this is award winning, which I totally believe because this stuff is awesome and it's exclusive to Sephora. Yay! There's a cat in here chewing on tape. She's so weird. I don't know why she loves tape so much, but anyways, let's move on. So here's something by Sephora brand. This is their HYA, it's hyaluronic acid, super hydrant, all day hydrator. So it looks like it's like a moisturizer or something. I know the Sephora brand is not cruelty free, so this will be going into a giveaway. So let's read about it though. It says, heading out for a spur-of-the-moment trip, make sure you at least pack the essentials like this weightless daily moisturizer that delivers a natural glow. It says, get the ingredients. Hyaluronic acid helps water retention to prevent dehydration. Vitamin E and C increases radiance and nurtures skin. And glycerin moisturizes like a pro. And this is obviously an exclusive to Sephora because it's the Sephora brand. So yeah, one of you guys will be getting this. And then my bonus item is by Chlorine, and this is their anti-pollution shampoo and conditioner. So it comes in a little baggie. So this is good for traveling to have these little packets. Normally I don't like foil packets, but for travel reasons, which is like the theme for this box, that's fine. So this is what they look like. And it says, sometimes your hair can use a little detox too. Enter this purifying shampoo and conditioner duo. Beauty meets botany. Born in the southwest of France, Chlorine has botanical goodness in every drop of its nourishing plant-based formulas. So that is everything in my box. I think this was a great month. Even though there's one thing I know I can't use, that's okay. But the foundation, super excited to try. So it did oxidize a bit, like I said. You guys, can you tell? I'm definitely gonna put this to the test soon and see how it matches on my actual face. Maybe I'll get a little sun now that it's summer. I mean, it's always warm here in Florida, but I really should get outside a little more. That's a goal of mine. But I'm definitely excited to try this out on my face, and I am so happy to get foundation samples and that they match it to your skin tone. So when you sign up for Sephora, you do like complete a little quiz. And also, I wonder if they look at your past order history on Sephora to like come up with things. I'm not sure about that, but I'm super happy, and I think they did a good job shade matching. Even if it's a little off, at least I can try the formula and I can definitely make it work. So the lip sleeping mask, like I said, it possibly is like a repeat, but I could have gotten it in another box, which is so likely because I get so many. But I loved using this in the past, so I'm happy to have it again. And I am freaking thrilled to get this green Clean Pharmacy cleaner because I ran out and I love it. So pumped about that. You guys, if you haven't tried it, this stuff is so good. The Herbivore Rose Spray. I have so many facial sprays, but I don't mind getting it. And this is actually a good size for Sephora, like for a spray. This will last a long time. And what am I missing? Oh, the Sephora moisturizer and the chlorine anti-pollution shampoo and conditioner samples. So overall, I think this was a really good month. What do you guys think? Did you guys get yours yet? I don't think I've seen many videos be posted yet, but maybe I'm just behind on videos, which is unlikely. I've been like binging YouTube so much, but let me know, are we box twins? Did you guys get the foundation? Does it match your skin tone? I am so excited. This is nice to like try a new thing too. It's like pretty new on the market. So yeah, definitely leave your thoughts down below. I love talking with you guys. Let me know if you're happy with your box. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.